Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. Today we are unboxing and discussing in detail because this one is definitely worth discussing, not just unboxing, the recent 4K release of CODA. So for those of you like me who were buying your Best Picture collection, it is now officially complete. The winner of Best Picture, CODA, is finally on physical media. It's also going to be put on Blu-ray for the record. Now, a couple notes about the availability of this title previously. I did technically have it on my shelf. I had a For Your Consideration DVD, which was in like a little cardboard thing. Not the greatest way to watch the movie. I would have preferred to stream it over watching that disc, which says something. And if you lived in Italy, they did have a Blu-ray release of this movie, but of course the problem with importing that is that unless you understand sign language, you're going to need subtitles, and I don't know if the subtitles were American friendly or not, but we finally have it on disc. Now this is a manufactured on-demand release, so basically when you order it, expect it to take a little while to get to you. They're only making these as you order them. I unfortunately got mine on Amazon. I don't know if anywhere else is selling it, to be honest, though, and I've kind of come to peace that with the state of physical media it is today, purchasing from Amazon is going to be a thing. I don't know who presses this. Maybe it is Amazon for all I know, but you have the Apple original films on there. Interesting that they don't have the little Oscar here, which they're allowed to do. One thing that's really funny, aside from the fact that Apple's name is all over it, they still say Apple TV Plus, which it's not Apple TV Plus anymore. It's just Apple TV. By the way, Apple, just throwing it out there, if you buy Warner Brothers, you will have a department that will make physical media, so you can have all your movies on physical media. You look at the back, and as you can see, this is going to be a very bare bones release. They're really almost, it's almost like an advertisement for the Apple TV streaming service. There does not appear to be any special features or anything like that. Again, very bare bones. They're just highlighting that it's from Apple and that it won Best Picture. But I'm happy to have it. Now, what does this disc look like? Let's open it and find out. I am personally not expecting much, although obviously they're going to be pushing that it's from Apple. But I don't expect a whole lot of flair. There's also a missed opportunity to not include a digital copy of this for Apple TV, but whatever. So okay, that's impressive. Okay, that's nice. I was not expecting that. It actually does have a nice little picture there, and it's like, okay, it has the Apple TV Plus, it has the rating, the kind of disc, the regions. This is all region. For those of you who don't know what manufacturer demand looks like, that's what it looks like. So I don't know how long the disc is going to last, unfortunately, but there you go. So this thing retails for like $34.99, and some people might go like, well, that's oh, don't you hate it when that happens? That's a little high for a movie. It's like, guys, here's the thing. We're lucky to have this thing on physical media. I mean, have you ever known Apple to release a CD or anything like that? I mean, they stopped with the discs a long time ago. They were the first one to get rid of disk drives and to stop selling Apple software on CDs. Like, they wanted to do it all digitally. And considering that one of the whole purposes of winning this Oscar was to drive people to the Apple TV streaming service, it's kind of a gift, I believe, that we are getting this on physical media at all. And I'm going to watch it tonight. I'm going to watch it in 4K, the disc, see if the quality is any better than what it would normally be. But I'm just happy to have it. Now, of course, once this was announced, some people were saying like, well, where's Killers of the Flower Moon? Where's Highest to Lowest? It's like, guys, if you want to see more stuff from Apple, buy this. You got to buy this if you want to see more stuff from Apple. I believe Killers of the Flower Moon is coming, for the record. But It's going to help your case if you buy things like this. And look, this is not a bad movie. Should it have won Best Picture? Probably not. But at the same time, it's a good movie. It's enjoyable. Like, this is not a bad movie to have in your collection. So pick it up if you want to see more physical releases from Apple TV. And, well, there you go. So I'm happy to have it. I really am. In fact, and I'm really happy to have it, without Criterion having to step in, although I would not have objected to Criterion stepping in and releasing it. It's nice to see that Apple is at least attempting to make their films available without a specialty boutique label. I think that's a really positive sign for the future of their movies and maybe even their TV shows. Who knows? So anyway, I would like to know, do any of you have this? Did you buy it? Did you buy the Italian version? Like, what were the subtitles like on the Italian Blu-ray? I would love to know, so comment below. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.